Hello guys, welcome to iTutor Academy. In today's session onwards, we will start with MMPC 002. Okay, we wind up the MMPC 001 on last video. It's Human Resource Management, that is MMPC 002. It's the second subject of our MBA semester 1. Uh, so today we will discuss the syllabus, full syllabus of this course. In block 1, there is Introduction to Human Resource Management. Under this block, there is Concept and Evolution of HRM, that is Human Resource Management HRM. Okay. Second unit discuss the functions of HRM. Third unit discuss the environment and HRM. And block 2, that is Sourcing of Human Resources. Block 2, there is 4 chapters under this block 2. And unit 4 discuss the human resource planning. Unit 5 discuss job analysis, design and evolution. Unit 6 recruitment and selection. Unit 7 is socialization and mobility. And next is block 3, that is performance and compensation management. In block 3, there is also 4 units are there in block 3, that is unit 8, that is performance appraisal. Unit 9 is career development. Unit 10 training and development. Unit 11 compensation and rewards management. Okay, and next is block 4. Block 4 is employer employee relations. Okay, in this block there is 3 units are there. In unit 12, that is employee empowerment. Unit 13, there is grievance handle and discipline management procedures. And unit 14 is union and associations. Okay, so 14 units are there. All are important. We will discuss one by one. Okay, and there is MPC 00 about the course also there is in human resource management is a management function that focus on staffing, developing, maintaining and retaining the organization most precious resources, that is people is the humans are the resource of a company, right? And the HRM is concerned with the organization's plan and goals, which can be met by making the best use of human resource. So this course lays the groundwork for understanding HR operations and honing your approach to effectively managing human resources. Okay, so we already discussed this course is divided in 4 blocks, each with 3 to 4 units are there. We already discussed. Okay, that's all things are here. And first block is Introduction to Human Resource Management. And Introduction to Human Resource Management, under this there is 3 units are there: Concept and Evolution of HRM, Functions of HRM, and unit 3 is Environment and HRM. Okay, so we will just begin with the unit 1, that is Concept and Evolution of Human Resource Management. After completion of this unit, you should be able to understand the meaning and concept of human resource management and trace the evolution of HRM, understand the scope and objective of HRM, and explain various components of HRM. Okay, and structure of this unit is introduction is there, what is HRM, evolution of HRM is there, objectives of HRM is there, importance of HR is there, scope of HRM is there, nature of HRM is there, component of HRM, and summary is there, and self-assessment questions also there. Okay, so let's begin with the introduction of this chapter. You must treat your employee with respect and dignity, because in the most automated factory in the world, you need the power of human mind. That is what bring innovation. If you want high quality mind to work for you, then you must protect the respect and dignity. It's by Mr. N.R. Narayanamurthy, that is founder of Infosys Limited. Okay, his words are here as a first starting of the introduction. The importance of human resource he is quoted as his words. Among the 5 M's of management, namely men, money, that is 5 M's are men, money, machine, material, and method. These are the 5 M's of management. Okay, men, money, machines, material, and method. HRM deals with the first M. Men are what we refer to as human resources. Human resources are an organization's most valuable and unique asset. Human resource management is a dynamic and challenging task for any organization, especially in the age of globalization and rapid technological change. As a result, all managers must be aware of the concept of HRM and its significance in the workplace. This being the first unit of the course of HRM, we shall cover evolution concept of HRM along with its objectives and scope as a field of management functions. HRM has undergone many changes over the years, giving it a strategic role in an organization. Okay, so this is about today's session. Next video onwards, we will start what is HRM, meaning, evolution, everything we will discuss next video onwards. Okay, so this is just introductory part of course and also the first chapter. Okay, thank you so much.